Chartgen is a platform that allows you to generate charts based off of files, datasets, URLs, and other references. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel, where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this. I actually asked Chartgen AI to write a detailed data analysis report about this file here, which is a demo file provided to us by Chartgen AI, just to see this in action. And if we actually open up the file, you'll be able to see, if we click on preview, it's just a bunch of data about what looks like some random cosmetic products that have been sold on Amazon. So we've got a few different metrics here, such as categories, subcategories, the retailers, all this kind of stuff that you probably get in an export from an e-commerce business. And as you can see, the first thing the model did is it processed the query, interpreting the user's request into an actionable plan. And then it had that plan sorted. And once it did that, it loaded the data from this file, which we've seen. And as you can see, we can see a few previews here, which is exactly how the file looked when we took a look at it. And then after that, it began analyzing the data to identify key metrics like average price, units sold, and total sales. As you can see, we've got all of these pieces of data here, which is quite interesting. So you can see this thought process as it's going on. And then it started generating the bar chart to visualize the key metrics identified in the analysis. And lastly, it compiled the findings into a detailed data analysis report. And this is the output we got. So this is one of the charts. Yeah, this is really cool because you can actually look at a chart in multiple different ways. They've got the data already in there, so you can just visually display it in any way that suits you or whoever you're actually going to explain this data for or to. So we've got the funnel as well. And when you hover over it, you can see some actual metrics. So I think this is pretty cool. If we keep scrolling down, we can actually see some details on the data. And finally, we do see the extensive data analysis report, which I think is pretty cool. So we can see the overview. We can see sales performance analyses. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. It's a really interesting report this is provided. Now, I think this is a great platform because it could potentially save people a whole lot of time. You can also copy the output. You can quote and start asking questions. You can edit it, export it as a PowerPoint or as a web page or PDF. So yeah, there's a whole lot you can do with this platform. Really, really interesting tools here. I think this is a great tool. As you can see, you get 500 credits once you actually sign up, and this is their pricing plan. I'm not affiliated with these guys in any way, but I just think this is a cool platform that could potentially be useful to some of you out there. So definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.